Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island. And today I'm going to video just really quickly a Sea Ray 21 SPX that we just had arrive. This was a custom ordered boat for some customers of ours. This is the Quantum Blue optional hull color, white bottom. Boat has an optional sports tower with an integrated bimini top. This one's getting rigged for delivery. This one was powered with a 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. See, it has the optional stone interior, twin bucket seats, L-shaped seating in the cockpit, storage on the starboard side, 5-inch Simrad GPS, glove box on the port side with storage beneath, and bow seating with storage both port and starboard. Again, Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, 843-747-1889. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching.